It's currently about to rain. I parked underneath this bridge at the bridge park in Charleston. So we parked really far away underneath the bridge, and the soccer game is all the way over there. We're gonna have to walk like at least 1 mile or like half a mile. We gotta check out this game. It doesn't seem like there's a lot of people because it looks like it's gonna rain. Alright, so we found this like shortcut right here. I'm already starting to feel like a little bit of rain. This is like a trail road right here. The downtown area is over there. The bridge is right there. I think that's a golf course. I'm not sure. But the stadium, it's like a little stadium, is all the way over there. I've never been to one of these soccer games, but I always wanted to check it out. There's one premiering at 6 p.m. So I was like, all right, I gotta go check it out. So we're just walking right now. And the stadium is all the way over there. Right now we're just right here. This is honestly like one of the best weathers you can experience. It's when like it's about to rain, but it's still like sunny outside. It is a little bit humid, but it feels great. And especially when it starts raining, it kind of refreshes you. Either way, I don't want to get wet though, but we don't know what's gonna happen when we get to the game and it starts raining. If not, over there's the Navy ship, the old Navy ship that you can go check out. It's like a museum. This is the stadium right here, but I'm still waiting on my ticket to transfer online. It's not bad, it's like mid-size. So they give us a free shirt. This is the stadium right here. The concessions and everything. They got a lot of restaurants. I'm about to get something.
I like one of them, but use your phone.
I think I'm gonna pass on the food. The ticket was like $50, so I'm just about to eat something later. They're training right now, and their seat should be up there somewhere. We gotta find it. This is it right here. I chose to sit all the way up here just because it's more of a better view for me, and can't wait for this to kick off. So I believe the pink shirts are the road team, and then the black and yellow one are the Charleston Battery. Seems like it's about to be a good game. It's Detroit versus Charleston. Not really much going on with the minor league during the summer with these little soccer teams, but they're pretty big, honestly. It's just that South Carolina isn't really that big on soccer. They're more on football, college football. But this seems to be a good game, especially if it rains. Looks like it's probably gonna rain, probably even not. But let's check this game out.
How's it sunny and rainy at the same at now? I'm over at moving over to Mount Pleasant.
Alright, so the game just finished and Charleston won 2-0. We're already walking back right now. You can see the bridge right here. Nice little view. It did rain for a little bit, but it wasn't bad. And overall, it was a pretty good game for Charleston, but it was pretty boring in the second half. However, that was a pretty good experience, you know. I know we got the World Cup coming up. That's one of my dreams, is to go to like a World Cup, but that's in the future, you know, and it's coming shortly though. But either way, like and subscribe. They gave me some free air fresheners right here from Heroes Car Wash, and obviously the shirt too. But yeah, like and subscribe.